Let's count. Let's count. Lemon. 1, 2, 3. 3. Watermelon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Mango. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Kiwi. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Let's count. Orange. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Banana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Apple. 1, 2, 3. 3. Avocado. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Let's count. Peach. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Blueberry. 1, 2. 2. Dragon fruit. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Pear. 1, 2, 3. 3. Let's count. Pineapple. 1, 2, 2. Strawberry. 1, 2, 3, 3. Pear. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Let's count. Cherry. 1, 2, 2. Fig. 1, 2, 3, 3. Orange. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Raspberry. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Edison. Math worksheet. Edison. 8 plus 5 is equal to 13. 2 plus 6 is equal to 8. 7 plus 4 is equal to 11. 9 plus 4 is equal to 13. 5 plus 9 is equal to 14. 7 plus 7 is equal to 14. 9 plus 5 is equal to 14. 7 plus 8 is equal to 15. 4 plus 8 is equal to 12. 8 plus 8 is equal to 16. Wow, you are great! Math worksheet. Edison. 1 plus 8 is equal to 9. 7 plus 4 is equal to 11. 8 plus 8 is equal to 16. 9 plus 3 is equal to 12. 6 plus 9 is equal to 15. 7 plus 4 is equal to 11. 8 plus 9 is equal to 17. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. 5 plus 8 is equal to 13. 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. Wow, you are great! Math worksheet. Edison. 9 plus 4 is equal to 13. 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. 9 plus 7 is equal to 16. 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. 7 plus 9 is equal to 16. 2 plus 8 is equal to 10. 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. 8 plus 5 is equal to 13. 8 plus 7 is equal to 15. 8 plus 8 is equal to 16. Wow, you are great. Wow, you are great. Math worksheet. Addition. 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. 8 plus 6 is equal to 14. 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. 7 plus 7 is equal to 14. 9 plus 8 is equal to 17. 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. 7 plus 6 is equal to 13. 8 plus 5 is equal to 13. 7 plus 8 is equal to 15. Wow, you are great. Math worksheet. Addition. 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. 7 plus 4 is equal to 11. 8 plus 7 is equal to 15. 4 plus 8 is equal to 12. 9 plus 5 is equal to 14. 7 plus 8 is equal to 15. 5 plus 6 is equal to 11. 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. 6 plus 8 is equal to 14. 4 plus 8 is equal to 12. Wow, you are great. Subtraction. Math worksheet. Subtraction. 12 minus 7 is equal to 5. 17 minus 7 is equal to 10. 18 minus 3 is equal to 15. 19 minus 3 is equal to 16. 17 minus 2 is equal to 15. 19 minus 9 is equal to 10. 11 minus 7 is equal to 4. 18 minus 6 is equal to 12. 19 minus 8 is equal to 11. 11 minus 9 is equal to 2. Wow, you are great. Math worksheet. Subtraction. 17 minus 4 is equal to 13. 16 minus 7 is equal to 9. 12 minus 5 is equal to 7. 10 minus 9 is equal to 1. 14 minus 7 is equal to 7. 18 minus 8 is equal to 10. 17 minus 6 is equal to 11. 13 minus 7 is equal to 6. 16 minus 9 is equal to 7. 12 minus 7 is equal to 5. Wow, you are great. Math worksheet. Subtraction. 19 minus 5 is equal to 14. 16 minus 6 is equal to 13. 17 minus 9 is equal to 8. 19 minus 4 is equal to 50. 18 minus 5 is equal to 13. 19 minus 5 is equal to 14. 14 minus 8 is equal to 6. 16 minus 14 is equal to 2. 15 minus 9 is equal to 6. 15 minus 4 is equal to 11. Wow, you are great! Math worksheet. Subtraction. 11 minus 6 is equal to 5. 15 minus 7 is equal to 8. 16 minus 9 is equal to 7. 12 minus 8 is equal to 4. 11 minus 8 is equal to 3. 15 minus 5 is equal to 10. 16 minus 4 is equal to 12. 11 minus 8 is equal to 3. 18 minus 7 is equal to 9. 19 minus 7 is equal to 12. Wow, you are great! Math worksheet. Subtraction. 10 minus 7 is equal to 3. 16 minus 3 is equal to 30. 19 minus 6 is equal to 30. 20 minus 8 is equal to 12. 18 minus 8 is equal to 10. 12 minus 7 is equal to 5. 17 minus 9 is equal to 8. 19 minus 7 is equal to 12. 12 minus 9 is equal to 3. 14 minus 6 is equal to 8. Wow, you are great!